Now we are going to talk about message by context. We can see here it's empty because we have never created any group before. First thing to send in this option is to create a group and add context to it in the address book. So in the address book under group we can make add. Okay, let's name the group, let's say grade 11. Here we can add more groups and delete the group. Let's make add. Okay, so we can see the ID of the group name, and the members. Here we can see 0 members because it's a new group and 0 members are added. So we want to add members, add. We can add single. If we have a database or a list of members, we can add them by multiple. We'll show you how. So name, we can choose, let's say Hadi. Number, the mobile number, we can choose a list. Let's take an example. We have here 2 examples, in text file or in Excel file. In text file should be comma separated, number, name, email, number, name, email, comma separated. And in the Excel file, number, name, email. Okay, so let's upload a file. Let's upload numbers and add entry. Operation completed. Let's go back to address book, group view. We can see the group that we have added, which is grade 11, having 3 members because the numbers, the Excel file numbers include 3 numbers. Okay, so now if we go to message by context, we can see the group there. We can select the group and then proceed, and everything else will be as before. Choose the template, choose the campaign name, exclude number if we want to exclude number from the sender ID. Template, okay, we'll talk about the template now after we finish this. Media file, if we want to send media file as we talked before, let's send, let's say API file, make upload. I'm repeating the web tracking link to know how many one clicked on the link or opened the link as a detailed report, expiry hours, schedule, delay, finish alert, etc. After that, send, and the message will be sent to the 3 members that we have added before to the group. Okay, message by group data is the same as message by context, but the difference here is that, let's first type by group data. We can see 0 records because in the address book, the group we have created, we have set this option as no, the group data. If we enable this option, yes, modify, then we will see the group here, message by group data, and we can see the group is here. The difference between message by context and message by group data is that the members of by group data have more info than the members of by context. Let me show you how to create a new group for group data. If you go to address book view, you can see we have only one group. Let me make it group data no, to create another one and make group data yes, and show you the difference. Okay, address book group add. Let me name the new group as grade 10 and make group data as yes, add. Okay, so now under address book we have 2 groups. we have grade 10 group data enabled, and we have grade 11 group data is disabled. So if we go to add this book context, we can see group data, we can see the group of grade 11 because group data is set to no. And if we go to group data, we can see the group of grade 11 because group data is enabled, yes. So address book context, as we said, we can see grade 11, and address book group data, as we said before, we can see grade 10. Grade 10, you can see 0 members. We can here add new. Okay, so you can see a lot of information in group data. You can add initials, first name, last name, email, provision area, gender, etc. And you can add here, if we want to add single, after adding the info, can add entry or multiple by, if we have the data by file, such as Excel or text file. Let's take an example by text file. So data should be comma separated, and Excel, each one should be in a column. After that, we'll select add entry.